In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can browse the internet without the history of your browsing being saved. This is even better if you are using a public computer, for instance, or public device. Your site data, that is the data of the site you are visiting, won't be saved. Cookies won't be saved. The autofill, which fills in your passwords for you, your credentials for you, won't be activated. So there are a whole lot of advantages for using this feature. I am on Chrome browser. All you need to do is to go to these three dots here, click on it, and click on New Incognito window. You probably need to take some time to read the text here. Like I said initially, this is not 100% safe. This is because your internet providers can still have access to the websites you visited. So the advantage of this is that once you close this window after browsing, anyone who comes on this computer, for instance, won't be able to see the history of your browsing. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.